After alerting the lock, press and hold the administrator fingerprint to the sensor. The light will blink blue along with 2 beeps. Continue to hold until the light blinks blue and red. Release the administrator fingerprint. Press the administrator fingerprint to the sensor again. The light will flash blue along with a beep. Press the new user fingerprint to the sensor 10 times. Each press will display a blue light along with a beep. A blue light with a long beep indicates the user fingerprint has been successfully registered. If the administrator fingerprint fails to register, a red light will display accompanied by 4 short beeps.